All right, 5 new lifestyle bundles debuting for the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Are you ready? Of course you are. Now, each of these accessory bundles features Yakima equipment designed to carry items like kayaks, bikes, and skis. So let's get started. Here's the breakdown of what comes with a bike bundle: roof rail crossbars, Ford all-weather floor mats, Yakima hitch-mounted bike rack, tilt 2-bike, Yakima roof rack mounted basket medium with net. The water bundle: Yakima awning, roof rail crossbars, Ford all-weather floor mats, and Yakima carrier with locks. The snow bundle: roof rail crossbars, Ford all-weather floor mats, and Yakima hitch-mounted for ski or snow sport rack. Camping, which is probably my favorite: Yakima awning, roof rail crossbars, Ford all-weather floor mats, and the Yakima Skyrise HD 2-person roof rack tent. And last but not least, the cargo bundle: roof rail crossbars, Ford all-weather floor mats, and a Yakima 16 cubic foot roof-mounted cargo box. There you go. Those are your 5 choices. Which one do you like best? I'm going with camping. Now some new details about the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder have been revealed. Some specs, safety features, and available technology. So let me run down some of those for you. Every 2022 Pathfinder will be powered by a 3.5-liter direct injection V6, 284 horses, 259 pound-feet of torque. Pretty darn good there. Enough power and torque mostly without getting on the far side of the efficiency curve. This new power plant is hooked up to a 9-speed automatic, which Nissan says provides smooth and direct vehicle response. Lots of tech with the 4-wheel drive system. Talking about drive and terrain mode selectors. This means moving in low traction scenarios, ice, sand, etc. That should be a lot easier. So they got standard, sport, eco, snow, sand, mud and rut, and tow, which will all be displayed as notifications inside the instrument cluster. All right, towing capacity now. It's got the whole package here. Can haul 6,000 pounds when properly equipped. That's the equivalent of 3 first-generation Miatas. No one's going to tow behind a Miata. Give me a break. So that would mean you could tow 2 fishing boats, ATVs, pop-up campers, or small trailers with ease. Trailer sway control standard, so thank you very much. To go along with the all-new exterior, there's some things on the inside that are noteworthy. A new 12.3-inch digital dashboard with various easy-to-navigate screen options. There's also a 10.8-inch heads-up display. That's large. Allows you to see things like turn-by-turn directions. An available 9-inch color touchscreen display sits high on the new instrument panel for easy visibility and accessibility for both the driver and front passenger, if they need to see that. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard on every 2020 Pathfinder. Tons of available tech features: Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, smartphone charging pad, I like that, wireless Apple CarPlay, Bose stereo, and more. You probably knew this, but standard 8-passenger seating sets the tone with the available second-row captain's chairs. With a no tools required removable center console. Standard safety package includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. There's intelligent forward collision warning, intelligent driver alertness, rear door alert, also standard. Blind spot intervention, intelligent lane intervention, and traffic sign recognition are available. It means that you have to go to a bigger package, but either way, you get that as an option. I guess I'll finish with pricing and availability. It'll be available in 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive configurations, 4 trim levels: S, SV, SL, and Premium. 2 packages: SV Premium and SL Premium available. 14 colors, including a 5 two-tone treatment. Now, prices will be released closer to the release date of the summer of 2021. Now you know. Hope that helps. I thought this was interesting in terms of sales numbers. In a recent study by iSeeCars.com, the Corvette topped the charts for the fastest selling new car in January 2021, taking just 10 days on average to sell after arriving on the dealership lot, with the average price of $84,689. Wow. The Corvette was closely followed by the Lexus IS 350 sedan, which took just 10.9 days on average. Then there's the Genesis GV80 crossover, took 14.4 days to sell on average. As far as used cars, the Hyundai Palisade took the crown in January, taking just 26.2 days to sell after arriving on average, with the average price of $39,551. Second place was the Lexus NX, 26.5 days. Third place went to the Corvette in the used category, 26.6 days. Wow. Further down the list, you'll find the Porsche 911 and yeah, some other stuff. Anyways, iSeeCars.com has that full list of the top 20 vehicles in January that sold, both new and used. I'm not surprised to see this, as if you need another reason to buy or look into the 2021 Kia Telluride. According to Consumer Reports, this year's model earned itself an impressive 5 out of 5 predicted reliability rating. With that high of a score, this year's new Telluride has ranked as the most reliable midsize SUV with 3 rows. Not bad, right? The accolades don't stop there. It also got a near perfect score on their road test. According to Consumer Reports, its ride is quite comfortable, and the interior offers up, quote, a pleasing mix of soft touch surfaces, nicely styled imitation wood, and satin finish trim, end quote. And one more note, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety recognized the 2021 Telluride as a top safety pick. So Toyota and Lexus are upgrading their tools so you can buy a new car 100% online. No more visits to the dealership. Toyota's program is called Smart Path, meant to let you buy online and have your vehicle delivered from your local dealership to your home without ever having to go to the dealership in person. Or you can start shopping on this Smart Path website and then go in and haggle the price. Right now, only 50 Toyota dealerships use Smart Path today, but that number will double this spring. Naturally, Lexus is involved in this too. Their program is called Monogram. Only a few dealers use this right now, but Lexus will, quote, aggressively accelerate availability through 2021. Listen to this. Toyota says a Cox Automotive digital shopping study from last April showed that 2/3 of shoppers are more likely to want to purchase a vehicle 100% online. Now, Toyota first introduced the Smart Path in September of 2019 as a way to connect a car buyer's experience across a number of Toyota shopping sites, including Toyota.com and buyatoyota.com and local dealership sites. Again, so far out of the company's 1,200 plus dealerships in the U.S., only about 50 currently have inventory synced with SmartPath, but that number again will double by this spring. Only a small number of Lexus dealerships are currently using the Monogram in a pilot test to select markets, but Lexus will move that up quite a bit in the later part of 2021. So some interesting topics discussed today. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Just put it in the comment section below with the topic that I discussed in these videos, and we'll continue the conversation there. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.